This is the auxiliary track laid in advance to facilitate portal crane movement. The rails used for this track are generally new rails, which are later used for TRR. From the special BFR, the portal cranes are unloaded on the auxiliary track. The relaying site is to be protected as per the provisions given in the IRPWM 1986. The released 13-meter rail panel is lifted by portal cranes and then loaded into empty BFR. After lifting of 4 panels from a site, ballast is leveled. It should be ensured that there is no hump left in the center of the track. It is preferable to keep the central portion lower by 50 millimeters so as to avoid center binding of the sleeper. Pre-assembled panels are now picked up from the BFR brought to the site of laying, lowered and aligned to the existing track. The operation of picking up old panels, loading into BFR, bringing new panels from loaded BFR and laying is repeated by the portal crane. The last panel to be lifted is decided based on the block availability. The rail of this panel is cut in such a way that the new panel is accommodated properly. The last new panel is placed after lifting the last existing panel as decided. With the help of a track jack, longitudinal level should be attained by lifting the existing track to match the level of the pre-assembled panel. The new and old panels are then joined by providing the fish plates, fish bolts. It should be ensured that a ramp is made into 2 rail lengths between the existing track and new track to run out the difference in level for safe passage of trains in accordance with the provisions of P-Way manual. The complete track is now aligned, leveled and packed with off-track tampers or on-track tampers to permit the train with the restricted speed. Portal cranes are loaded in the special BFR. Then the complete rake is taken to the